Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off airplane mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. As you can see, our airplane mode is enabled. We have a little airplane visible here next to battery. So how to turn it off? The easiest way to do it, swipe from the top and our airplane mode is right here, or it will be hidden somewhere here. So tap it once, airplane mode is turned off, our Wi-Fi etc. is now available. We can turn it off by accessing settings, connections, and here we have airplane mode. We simply uncheck this little box and everything came back as it was by default. We don't have our plane here. The airplane mode is turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.